Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll spit that like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I won't wait forever, so you can come and get it. I don't understand it, I don't understand.
Ayan, ito po yung aming napakagandang condominium building. Ito po yung Symphony Tower sa Quezon City. Malapit po ito sa GMA7 at sa ABS-CBN. Ito po ay napakagandang investment at makikita natin na talagang ang property hindi po siya nadidepreciate. Na-appreciation po siya, tumataas po yung value niya every year. Kaya po kung meron kayong planong magnegosyo, ito po passive income ang Symphony Tower.
I don't understand it. I don't understand.